Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about Large Capacity Field Heater or LCFH fault code troubleshooting, specifically hard starting and fault code Hotel 121 or Hotel 511. The LCFH fuel system purges air from the system during initial startup. The electric fuel pump circulates fuel from the tank through the system and back to the tank, purging any air trapped in the lines. Sometimes the purge orifice can get clogged with debris and prevent air from being purged from the system. To troubleshoot, first ensure the electric fuel pump is working and flush out any contaminants from the system. Disconnect the return fuel hose from the tank and direct into any approved container capable of holding 2 quarts. Turn the heater on. The electric fuel pump should come on immediately and fuel should flow into the container. Let the fuel flow into the container to flush out any dirt or debris. Shut the heater off when the CO detectors beep. Remove the purge orifice from the fuel tank bracket. Inspect and clean any debris from the orifice. By the way, did you know that you can get mission-critical parts in our FMC packs? This will get you out of trouble should you need a part in the field. We have Level 1 and Level 2 FMC packs that contain the parts you need. And that's it. And that wraps up today's installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope you found it helpful. Look for more tech tips on all HDT products.